Hi digital marketers, this is Faisal Amin. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will try to show you how can you track the Wistia video tracking by using our Google Tag Manager, and this is set up for you. You can set up for Facebook Conversion API, Google Analytics 4, Google Ads, whatever any kind of social media you have to use for your project. So let's get started. You can see that is our tag manager, and we are set up the listener port and event push data. We have set up the custom HTML tag to enable the data layer for which they are tracking. You can see that I am using the custom HTML code and all pages. And if I go to the tag assistant, you can see that our Wistia event are activated with the Google Tag Assistant. So event video provider is Vista videoAction. I am watching the 100% video, so it is show the 100% videoLabel. That is the videoLabel. You can see that videoLabel and videoHashedID, video URL, video duration, video time, and video%watched and videoSessionId. All of event parameter you have to find out, and you can sending this event parameter to Facebook, Google Ads, GA4, anyhow. So we have to create the variable. So before we started, I presume that you are perfectly connect with the Wistia video with your website, and you have also connected Google Tag Manager with your website. If you do not yet, you go to my YouTube channel and check out that how to all work and how can you set up. That is the basic implementation. So I escape this implementation. If you want to generate the basic idea, you can check out my YouTube channel, then you can find out. So no more delay, let's get started. That is our tag assistant, and you can see that is our event. So one by one, we have to create the variable for it. So firstly is the video provider. So I'm copying from the data layer and tag assistant. Go to variable section to create the video provider variable. We are all know that how to create it. So new variable configuration, data layer variable. And you have to add in the video provider, and you have to give him the name. Like that. So one by one, I have to create the variable to send in the Facebook, Google Analytics 4 with the video provider. So I'll save it. Go to next one, video action. We have to create another variable, data layer variable, that is video action, still video action. I know you already know that how to create the variable. So I am again try to run it. So video label, new data layer variable with the video label, save it, and our next one is hashtag. So if you sending the more event parameter, so Facebook or Google Analytics, you have to find out the more event parameter that will be more easy to retargeting. I hope you understand what actually I mean that. So you have to try to use the all event parameter that will be the more generate your leads or sales, whatever. So the video has ID. So we are going to the next one. Video URL. I skip it. If you need, then you can use it, because I already told you you have to use the more and more event parameter that will be beneficiary for you tracking process or business. It's the video duration. Save it, and video time. So video time. Save it. Video percent watch. That means how many percent are watched by your visitor. So you have to track all of that. Post the video just value of the video time. You do not create it, I think. Yes. So we create video time. Post the video time. Save it. So already we are created the our variable. Now we have to send link for the Facebook. So we go to the text section, new tag configuration. You know that we are finding the Facebook pixel. Firstly, we are adding the pixel ID. So that is our pixel event manager. We have copy that dataset ID or pixel ID. That's all are both same. And that will be the custom. Event name is, if I go to the tag assistant again, video. So I'm adding the custom video. And then finally object properties. And I have to adding the one by one. So video action, video provider, video label, video duration, video time, video percent watch, video session ID. So that is all of event parameter. So I'm one by one trying to adding it. Video action, video provider, video label, video duration, video time, and video burst. We are doing out adding the session ID. So we have add it. So plus sign and the tag is video session ID there. You can see that. So we have created the data layer for it. That is the data layer variable session ID. This session ID. Save it, and you have to add in the more settings that you are set up the server side. Then you have to add in the event ID because that will be the deduplicated. So I am adding the event ID. Already I created event ID. If I'm search event ID, real event ID, yeah, that is also okay for me now. So triggering would be the custom event, that will be the video. So I am adding the custom event. I know that, but I'm copy and paste each and everything because I want to confirm that my tracking will be the more accurate so that I have done the copy paste job. So video event is the okay, save it. That is for FB, that meta is the save it. So now again I will go to the preview and check out that our event is working or not. Continue, and that is our website, and our tag assistant perfectly connected with the website. So I'm going to my video location. So I am insert the video. That is our video. We just open it. If I go to the tag assistant, here you can see that the tag is working almost. Then open the tag. The all event are the tag is fired. All event are showing here. And if I go to the Facebook event manager here, you can see that from browser side, the all event are working perfectly. You can see that video action provider, video label, video duration, time, and all of that perfectly working. If you do the server side tracking, that is the really simple process. You have to add in the Google tag, and in the Google tag, you have to add in your server container URL, which I created in the step.io. That's video also. You have to find out my YouTube channel, so you can subscribe this channel, and you have to gather knowledge about. I had published already. So if you need, then you can subscribe this channel. So if I go to the server-side tagging, you have to done by the two way. You can also use the data tag to sending the all event data to your server-side, and you have to create on it, and you can also as a client to GA4. So for GA4, how can you set up? So I'm going to the new. So for the server side, you have to add in the new and Google Analytics 4, that will be GA4 event, for which event you have to add in. So that is the measurement ID. So I do not understand my tag as Google Analytics 4 are not working because I'm set up this yesterday. So it is not working, but that's not the big deal. I hope you can understand how can you collect the measurement ID from it and how to set up all of that. So I'm going to a data stream to collect the measurement ID. I hope you know that. And you have to find out the lots of video in my channel because I already set up the one lots of Google Analytics 4G for tracking. So you have to find out the tutorial from it. So you have to add in the measurement ID to tag font in the container. and event will be the video. You have to confirm that your Facebook browser site event name and server side event name will be the same. I repeat again, the both event name will be the same for browser and server. As an event parameter, you have to add in one by one event parameter. Yeah, according that's like the Facebook browser site, and you have to sending all of that. So I hope you understand how to you set up the GA4 also, and Facebook server side also, and you can also you just when you find out when you set up the Google Analytics 4, then in the tag assistant, if you go to the admin, and you have to gather the audience by using Google Analytics 4, and you have to add the Google Ads links. Then you can also retarget your audience by using Google Ads when your Google Ads are linked on your Google Analytics 4. So I hope you understand that. Also, I discuss about my another video, how can you retarget the audience. Here you can see the audience. If you click on it, here you have to create the new audience. Then you can also retarget for the Google Ads. So I hope you understand how can you enable the video for how to track use the video for Facebook, Google Ads, and Google Analytics 4. So I hope this video is helpful for you. I will see you again in the next video with a new topic or new resources. So thanks for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye.